Oi, here it is, guys. This has got to be the worst thing I ever bought. This has got to be the worst Fox Body Mustang on YouTube. Yeah, you're probably saying, I doubt that. I doubt that. That was a pretty nice Camaro you had there. Yeah, no. This thing's a total piece of shit. All right, so let's see. Anybody here is interested in my big mistake? By all means, stick around. Press the subscribe button and watch some more tips on how to be a life failure. Yeah, especially when it comes to cars. You know, this is a pretty stupid move. All right, anyway, yeah, let's get to the shit box here. Yeah, so this is a 1989 Fox Body Mustang. Everybody likes a Fox Body Mustang. Everybody wants a Fox Body Mustang. It's a big old fun toy that everybody wants now, you know, and my stupid ass just had to join the club, you know. So what that means is definitely buy the worst fucking Fox Body you could ever imagine and make it work and try to make it go really, really fucking fast, because that's really smart. That's what we're gonna do. So there should be ADHD Dumbass Garage, but you know what? It's called fucking, I don't even remember what the hell I called this channel, because I started it a year ago and I've been ignoring it for another year. So that math doesn't add up. I failed math. So anyway, let's get back to the car. This is a Fox Body Mustang. It's a 1989 LX 5 liter. I must just love 5 liters. You know, I had a 5 liter Camaro, the 5.0 305. And now we got the 5 liter Mustang. Oh, it's the 5 liter. Everybody loves the 5 liter. Yeah, look at these. It's got the thunder tips, you know, very rednecky. It's got you know, holes to keep your things. Wonderful. It's got some Bogey Cobra rims. It was this absolutely awful Mako blue. Maybe it's not even Mako. Maybe it just might be dollar store spray paint. But either way, it came with it on there. And I've been taking my orbital sander that I sand my drywall with and sanding this car with it, and finding out all the stupid stuff that's going on with this car. This car's a mess. This car's a disaster. But that's, you know, it's great. You know, that's wonderful. That's just great. The wheel fell off. What's next? Yeah, we got rust all over. You can't even see it. Here, let's put this big floodlight up that I'm pissing my neighbors off with. Take a look at the rot. Rot everywhere. That's okay. It's American muscle. So yeah, this is a big mistake, and we're gonna make it a worse mistake by putting money into a big mistake, because that's how you solve your problems in this country. You just throw money at it, and hope that it makes it better. And if it doesn't, just throw some more money at it, and then if not, you just ignore the problem. And you just move on. That's just what you do. You don't deal with anything. You just move on from it. No big deal. Just forget that ever happened. So anyway, yeah, let's get back to this thing. Yeah, it's a mess. I mean, there's rust everywhere. I will say this: if any of you know anything about these cars, which you probably shouldn't if you're watching this channel, you probably should just stop watching, because this is not going to make you happy. But yeah, the torque boxes are, in the world, I made a mess. The torque boxes are in decent shape, so you know, not like I really cared anyway. I was just gonna run with them anyway. It doesn't really make a difference to me. The shock towers, on the other hand, those are. Hit the subscribe button if you want to find a budget way to do some shock towers. You know, and by budget, I don't mean just jam a bunch of Bondo in there, you know, in your Coca-Cola can you had in lunch. You know, I'm going to be removing the subframe. I'm going to be removing the K-frame. I'm going to be pulling the motor out, and I got frame and rail. And then I'm going to weld in, and we're going to see what happens. Because why not? Do I know what I'm doing? Absolutely not. Am I a professional? Far from it. I'm just a guy that likes to make some stupid decisions, like buying total shitbox Fox Body Mustangs and thinking that I'm going to drag this thing's asses down the drag strip with me in it, which is really good. Yeah, so that's what we're going to do. So anyway, yeah, let's get to this thing. You know, actually, I forgot my laser pointer. So yeah, this is yeah. We have a sunroof up here. Let's open up this. Oh, what the hell? What the hell? Is there a light in here? No, we can't see nothing. Let's go get a light. Let's go get a light. Let's go piss off the neighbor. Ooh, this thing's hot. Let's just put it in the car. Screw it. So anyway, yeah, this is a Fox Body Mustang. It's a 5-speed. See, it's clutch pedal down here. It's got power windows. Yeah, it's got this big old monster attack over here. I don't know what that's, why that's even there. You know, I think this car is gonna light on fire. I think I should stop spraying PB Blaster all over the, what's left of the interior. So anyway, let's just pop this hood. Let's get this lamp out of here before I burn this thing down and do everybody a favor, including myself. And let's go see what else we got going on. Let's see. Well, I gotta drag my power lamp over here. Let's see what we got. Whew. This thing's hot. Boom. All right, let's see. Oh. This right here is the 5.0. Everybody wants the 5.0. Yep. So there it is. The 5-liter Mustang. The 5-liter Mustang. Yeah, let's start it. Let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. It will start. Maybe it'll start. Maybe it won't. I don't know. Oopsie daisy. Oops. What was that? Who cares? Sweet. Goes to $5 grand, 5,500 or something. I don't know. I go till the rods start yelling at me. Till the rods tell me to stop. Wow, she just runs so good. She just runs so good. Yeah, just runs so good. So yeah, don't even ask me what the plan is. As of right now, it's just to keep me from losing my mind, and you know, hopefully keep me from cutting this car in half with a sawzall. You know, and maybe like attaching a pickup truck bed to it or something stupid. You know, hopefully we don't get to that point. But anyway, the wheel fell off. So yeah, if you want to see some more stupid mistakes revolving the Fox Body Mustang, pissing off his neighbors, and spending a bunch of money that he doesn't have to do more dumb things, by all means, press the subscribe button. So yeah, thanks for watching. Yeah, it's my money and I want it now.